couple of rules we need to know when it comes to polymorphism and inheritance. The first rule is you cannot override static methods. Static methods exist outside of the standard class itself. They are not owned by the instance. Therefore, a subclass can hide a static method in the superclass by declaring a static method with the same signature as the static method in the superclass, but it has to be the exact same method. You can call that static method from the superclass and the subclass or another class by using a subclass object. But within the static method of the subclass, you cannot access the parent method. So basically, you're just copying the static method over to the subclass. Or you can access the parent static method using dot notation, the same way any other class can. If it's a private static method, then you can't access it at all from outside the class. I don't know why that would be a method you create, but you might want to just copy that directly over. You also can't override anything that's final. There are advantages to making things final. The compiler only knows one version of that method. The compiler knows which method will be used. The program's performance, it can be optimized by removing calls to final methods. That's like inlining the code where each method call is replaced with the expanded code of the method's definition. Effectively, there's a lot of reasons why you might want to make a method final. Like that is the final thing. We're always going to use this method. But when a method is declared final, you cannot override it. And when a class is declared final, that is the final class. It can have no more children. The final thing has been reached. There is no more evolution possible. All of the methods are final, and it cannot be a parent class because since it's final, it can't extend any further. You've reached the end of the rope for the extension in that family. It is final. We're going to end the recording here, and subsequent videos will be on homework.